In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Brave Browser across devices. By the end, you'll have your bookmarks, history, and other browsing data moving seamlessly between your phone and computer so you can pick up right where you left off. First, open the Brave browser on the device you want to use as your starting point. This is the device that will generate your sync details, so make sure it's the one that already has the data you want everywhere else. Next, look to the top right corner of Brave for the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Click it, then choose Settings. This takes you into Brave's Control Center, where we'll set up the connection. In Settings, find and click on Sync. Brave uses something called a sync chain to securely link your devices together. Think of it as a private network for your browser data. Click. Start using Sync to create a new sync chain. This begins the setup and prepares Brave to share a secure code that your other device will use to join the chain. You'll now be asked whether you want to add a computer or a mobile device. Choose the option that matches the device you're connecting next. The choice only affects how you'll input the code on the other device, not what gets synced. Brave will display a QR code and also provide a word-based code. The QR code is the quickest option for phones and tablets, while the word code is handy for laptops or if your camera isn't available. Treat this code like sensitive information. It links your devices and should be kept private. Keep this screen open while you switch to your other device. On your second device, open Brave and go to the same place. The three-line menu, then Settings, then Sync. This ensures you're in the right spot to join the chain. This time, select I have a sync code. If you're on mobile, you can scan the QR code from the first device. If scanning isn't possible, choose the option to enter the word code and type it exactly as shown. Once entered, confirm and give Brave a moment to connect. You should see a success message, and your data will begin syncing in the background. That's it. Your devices are now linked in a secure sync chain. If syncing doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time and make sure both devices are online. You're all set to enjoy a consistent Brave experience wherever you browse.